Okay, so this is a little extra practice for 15-4, and this is just kind of going a little bit deeper. So we're gonna look at another problem. We've already, if there's already another video for the basic teaching of this. This one says, Mindy has already saved $20 and plans to save $8 each month. Georgette has no money saved, but plans to save $5 each month. Will the girls ever have saved the same amount? Explain. And if we were in class together, boys and girls, I would ask you right now, are they ever going to have the same amount saved? Because you can actually answer this question just by thinking, by reasoning, by using, that's again, the problem solving is make sense and persevere. And so, you should be able to answer that question just by making sense of it. Know that Georgette is never going to catch up because Mindy starts off with 20, Georgette starts off with 0, and then Mindy's saving more each month. So no, Georgette is never going to catch up. And I would have you write that out like using race if you were going to do that. But it wants to have the rule for Mindy and for Georgette. So I'm just going to put an M and a G. The rule for Mindy would be start at 20 and then add 8 each time. And for Georgette, it would just be add 5 each time. And so hers is 20. This is going to be Mindy's up here, and this is going to be Georgette's. 20, 28, 36, 44. They've done like most of the work for you. They do want you, I guess, to fill in these little boxes up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 44 plus 8 is going to be 52. And then 60. And then 68. And then at the start, this lady doesn't have any. This Georgette doesn't have any. So we're going to put a 0. And then this is going to be super simple. 5, 10. That's a 10. Pretend like that's a 10. 15. 20, 25, 30. I guess I need to fill in these numbers. And then it wants us to graph these. And so for the start, I'm gonna actually just throw a 0 in here to make it a little easier to graph. We're gonna make this the x-axis and this, and then the bottom the y-axis on both of them. So the first one is going to be 0, 20 for Mindy. So 0, 20. And then 1 and 28, so just almost under 28, 2 and 36, 3 and 44. And I'm not actually going to graph the rest of these, but you can see that this line is going up. And remember, if your lines don't hit the graph, just make them bigger. And then Georgette, when you're doing 2 different things, it is nice to do it in 2 different colors. I miss our board. Remember our board? Georgette is going to start down here at 0, 0. We call that the origin. And then 1, 5, and then 2, 10, and then 3, 15, and then 4, and 20. So you can see that line is going to be going much, it's got way less slope is what that's called. Like, you'll learn about slope when you get a little bit older. So that is some extra practice for 15-4.